This BambooSegD 10-piece LED lamp kit is tailored for Bamboo Lab and other compatible three-dimensional printers, so it integrates cleanly into existing enclosures and toolheads without awkward modifications. The kit supports 3 selectable color temperatures and smooth dimming, letting you shift easily from a warm, cozy glow to a bright, neutral work light that makes print details easier to inspect. High-quality LED strips paired with an aluminum alloy housing and a 5-volt universal serial bus power input give the light's efficient output, good heat dissipation, and broad compatibility with common chargers and power banks. Because the hardware is designed to work with downloadable 3-dimensional printable mounts and diffusers, it is especially appealing for makers who enjoy designing custom brackets and personalized lighting layouts. Beyond 3-dimensional printers, the compact form factor and universal serial bus power make the kit useful for accent lighting in cabinets, shelves, desks, and other small spaces around the home or office. In everyday use, the lamps feel thoughtfully engineered, with even illumination, reliable connectors, and a plug-and-play setup that makes upgrading a printer or workspace lighting straightforward, even for less experienced users.